vlog back again with another reaction video, people. Bantai ki public, hope you all are watching this reaction today. Okay, Emiway is back again with his new track. The title of the track is Mama. Sounds really interesting. We are so inquisitive to go and listen to it and to react on it. Of course, you know what exactly he has written for the title Mama. Sounds interesting again. Okay, and the previous song that we had reacted on was
Hey Tu Kaun.
yeah, so that one was also quite interesting, and we also had reacted on that back to back. Yeah, anyway, it's back to back with his new tracks, right? So it was just few days back that we had reacted on that song. If you haven't checked it and you would like to check it, check our reactions, of course, right? We are just going to link it down in the description. You can go and check it out later in your free time if you are interested. Okay. So I think for now we need to get into the reaction, the music by Mean Machine, as always, directed by beautiful Swalina.
Yeah, pretty excited, guys, from trap metal to let's see what, right? So with that, let's get into the reaction.
Let's get into the reaction.
Mama, Bantai, come on. I like this start.
सकल स्मॉल ड्रामा इससे तो पैसे कमाना बे मामा सबकी याद तेरे लिए देखना चाहता तुझे कुछ रोजाना सकल स्मॉल ड्रामा इससे तो पैसे कमाना बे मामा सबकी याद तेरे लिए देखना चाहता तुझे कुछ रोजाना सकल स्मॉल ड्रामा इससे तो पैसे कमाना बे मामा सबकी याद तेरे लिए देखना चाहता तुझे खुश रोजाना सकल स्मॉल ड्रामा इससे तो पैसे कमाना बे मामा सबकी याद तेरे लिए देखना चाहता तुझे खुश रोजाना ना माना कभी हार तूने मैं नहीं मम्मा हार तू है अभी भी यंग ब्यूटीफुल तू तेरे वजह से स्टेज पे मैं ये गाना बना रहा मैं तेरे लिए बताने ये तू कितनी मेरे लिए लड़ी चीज है बड़ी से बड़ी चीज है कभी नहीं सोचा क्या होंगे नतीजे लेके चली मुझे जैसे मैं हूँ सहारा रोना वोना बंद सपना पूरा होता जा रहा पहले के दिन याद सोना गिरवी पे जाता जैसा समय सीधा डायमंड उठा रहा मैं रिंग मम्मी को पसंद है ब्लिंग इसलिए तो बेटा भी किंग बहुत ही कठिन काटी तू दिन लकड़े के चूल्हे पे खाना पकाने से लेके गैस तक सब दे के दिन इसलिए तो रैप गेम में बाप बना काम करा दिन रात जिंदगी बना रहा मुझसे बिना नहीं बिन बात देखता नहीं कौन है फिर भिड़ जाते बिंदास सकल स्मॉल ड्रामा इससे तो पैसे कमा रहा मैं मामा सबकी याद तेरे लिए देखना चाहता तुझे कुछ रोजाना सकल स्मॉल ड्रामा इससे तो पैसे कमा रहा मैं मामा सबकी याद तेरे लिए देखना चाहता तुझे कुछ रोजाना सकल स्मॉल ड्रामा इससे तो पैसे कमा रहा मैं मामा सबकी याद तेरे लिए देखना चाहता तुझे खुश रोजाना सकल स्मॉल ड्रामा इससे तो पैसे कमा रहा मैं मामा सबकी याद तेरे लिए देखना चाहता तुझे खुश रोजाना ना माना कभी हार तूने मैं नहीं मम्मा हार तू है अभी भी यंग ब्यूटीफुल तू तेरे वजह से स्टेज पे मैं इतना प्यार दिया तूने तभी तो ऐसा कुछ बना हूँ मैं शॉपिंग कर जाके तू बिंदास प्राइस टैग दिखना अभी मना है मैं यही तो चाहिए था इसलिए तो इतने साल से बना रहा म्यूजिक आज अपनी लाइफस्टाइल माशाअल्लाह हर कोई बोले मुझे मैं फटे बहुत स्ट्रीट जैसे रॉकेट रुके बिना जब भी गाऊंगा तेरे को पसंद है मेरे को पसंद है वो जो तेरे को करे खुश मैं उसी में खुश बोले तो खुश हो जा रही है पर मेरे सामने डूस मम्मी खुश मेरे गाने सुन के बूस्ट करे मुझे इतनी कूल मम्मी मिली मुझे और क्या चाहिए बोलो मुझे इतनी कूल मम्मी मिली मुझे सकल स्मॉल ड्रामा इज्जत और पैसे कमा रहा मैं मामा सबकी याद तेरे लिए देखना चाहता तुझे खुश रोजाना सकल स्मॉल ड्रामा इज्जत और पैसे कमा रहा मैं मामा सबकी याद तेरे लिए देखना चाहता तुझे खुश रोजाना
What do I say, man? What do I say?
Lovely.
It's not a song, it's an emotion, man. Yeah. It's an emotion. Everybody can relate to it. Let's talk about it, guys.
Bantai ki public, what do you say? We are getting to see a different side of Emiway, right? That's what I would love to say because till now we have been watching and listening to his songs, his tracks, you know, which is something to a different level, right? And this is something so different, really emotional, you know. He just made us really emotional, really touched us, you know. So it is basically a song which is dedicated to his mom, I would say, right? So that's what, it's so easy to be understood. Literally loved it. They are really a big salute to him and a respect to him and his mom as well, you know. Just a lovely composition here.
Absolutely. I think to adding it to what Dimple said, right? So the starting, the sequencing of the video, 10 on 10. The start with the money, oh my god, that was like brilliant. And the entire cinematography was like out of this world, man. This is something very different from Anyway, right? So even this song, the way it started with slight mumble and then it went to his lyrical flow and then it went to his extreme flow. My god, it had everything, right? So this guy is truly a gem, man, and respect, only respect for what he has done. And the storyline, right? Who will not associate, right? Everybody will be associated with this song. So very simple, easy to understand. He's doing everything, dedicated this song to his mom. He talked about money, he talked about his struggle, and today he wants to gift his mom something and requesting her not to take the price tag because that does not matter today. Today he's there. So beautiful, man.
Yeah.
What do you say?
Of course, at least exactly what he said was like really correct, you know, and just loved it. Yeah, I don't know what.
Made our day, guys. So if you guys are there, all of you, Mantai Ki Public, everyone, whoever is watching this, do subscribe, do hit like, do share, and do comment, man. Let us know where we are doing right and if there is some areas of improvement. Don't hesitate. We are open to feedback. So with that,
good night,
take
people.
care.
Take care.
Stay safe and bye bye.